Hey, nursery. Here we have another book called The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Hey, that's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Mhm. Look at the floor. Mom doesn't stop mopping. 2 more. That's 2 each, said Victoria. And Sam. They look as good as your grandma, said Peter. And smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. Ay, ay, ay. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Oh, wow. Loads. There are loads of children now in the house. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong, and rang. Ding dong, ding dong. Who could it be? Look at their faces. Oh, they look a bit surprised. They don't know who to expect. Who is it going to be? Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you better eat them before we open the door? We'll wait, said Sam. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. Wow, how happy everybody is. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. This is a funny story, but it's all about sharing what we have. Okay? Our friends are very happy when we share with them and we have fun with them. Okay? So, something we think about from now sharing with our brother, with our sister, with mommy and daddy, and with our friends. Okay? Love you. Bye bye.